Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Hipad Max, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to find the display. Let's tap. Now let's scroll and find the screen timeout. As you can see, it will be in this lock display section. So let's tap on it, and here we've got options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, I mean 15 or 30 seconds, or at the bottom the longest option. What is more, which is quite confusing, at the very top of this list we've got the longest option, never, which simply means that your device will never black out after picking this option. All you have to do in order to apply the feature, simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 5 minutes, for example. As you can see, it is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.